you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my Bantu knot outs and just the process I use for that. So the first step in me doing my Bantu knots, I like to section my hair. So I start by sectioning it down the middle in half and then reduce that section to about a fourth. And I start with the moisturizing part. So for moisturizing my hair, I like to add water, which is what I did on the first step. And this cream I'm adding now is my Bantu leave-in conditioner cream. And after that, I just like to really put my hands through my hair, let the cream soak in. And then I apply my olive oil, which I have in a container, and just apply it to my ends, apply it throughout my hair, and make sure I wipe my scalp with that also. And finally, for my cream, I do my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. So I apply that as my last step. And I begin twisting my hair, just a normal 2-strand twist. So once again, the process I like to use the lock method when I moisturize my hair. So that's just liquid oil cream. So the water is my liquid, the olive oil was my oil, and my Cream of Nature cream is the cream. So apply that, twist it, and then I will repeat that throughout my entire head. So I'm just going to speed it up and show you guys the process in sped up motion. Okay, now in this scene, I'm about to show you guys how I do my Bantu knots. So I take the twist and I just wrap it around itself. So this is kind of in slower motion for you guys. It's very difficult to see with my camera quality, but I'm just taking the twist and just wrapping it around itself until I run out of hair. So I'm going to show you guys this in a more close-up view. So I'm going to take the next part of my twist, zoomed in version, and I'm just wrapping it around itself. So I just kind of turn it in a circle until I run out of hair. So continuously wrapping it around itself. And like I said, the quality is really bad for my camera, but you just take the twist and just continue to go around until you are out of hair. So that's how I do a Bantu knot. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of my head. This is near the end of me doing all of my Bantu knots. And I braided the front section of my hair and I put some hair jewelry in it. So that's why that section looks a bit different. There's 2 braids in the front, but the rest of my hair is Bantu knots. And that's what it looks like when it's finally all done. I have nothing but Bantu knots in my hair. And after this, I'm about to just grab my bonnet and put it on my head and go to sleep and show you guys what it looks like in the next morning. But this is what I'm done. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Hey everybody, so it's the next morning. I'm going to take off my bonnet and start unraveling my Bantu knots. So I grab my olive oil and apply it to the ends of my fingertips, just so when I take down my hair, it's a little bit oily, and which reduces the frizz when you start to take down your Bantu knots. So I'm just going through, kind of tugging at the tugging at the ends of my Bantu knots and slowly unraveling it. And I apply more olive oil to the ends of my hair before I start to unravel more Bantu knots even more so. So I take the twist apart and then I just start separating my hair just to add more volume to my hair. So I'm just going to do this for the rest of my head and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my hair ends up looking like once I take down all of my Bantu knots. I moved locations and this is in my bathroom now so you guys can see the curl pattern with different lighting. I love the way it turned out. Bantu knots always give me a pretty curl pattern and it's versatile how you can wear your hair. I decided to wear mine half up, half down with my braid in the front. But Bantu knots are a cute look. They're pretty easy to do and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.